Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yotpo Reviews collection to increase conversion rates, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by accessing your Yotpo account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up at Yotpo's website. Next, navigate to the integrations section. Here, you will find different platforms that Yotpo supports. Select your e-commerce platform from the provided list. Once selected, follow the specific instructions tailored for your platform. This usually involves adding an application or extension from your platform's marketplace. After the application is installed, return to your Yotpo dashboard. You should see a setup guide tailored for your store. Follow these on-screen prompts to configure the integration. You will need to connect your store by entering your credentials. Once connected, Yotpo will begin syncing your products and customer data. This process may take a few moments, depending on the size of your catalog. Next, navigate to the reviews section within your Yotpo dashboard. Here, you can customize how your reviews will be displayed on your site. Choose your preferred style and layout options that fit your branding. After customizing, save your settings to apply the changes. Now, it's time to enable the review collection feature. Go to the settings page and find the review requests section. Here, you can personalize the email templates Yotpo uses to ask for reviews. Make sure to include a compelling call to action to encourage responses. Set the timing for when customers will receive these requests. Next, switch to the product page setup. Make sure that the reviews widget is in place on your product pages. You can preview how it looks to ensure it aligns with your website design. Once everything looks good, save your changes. Lastly, test the entire process by making a test purchase. Check that the review request emails are sent and the review widget appears correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.